Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common headache. What to do if you've lost your Chase Sapphire card. Don't panic. Replacing it is straightforward and can be done quickly to keep your finances secure. First things first, as soon as you realize your card is missing, contact Chase immediately. You can call their customer service line at 1-800-435-7136 or use the Chase mobile app for a faster response. Time is of the essence here because the sooner you report it, the better protected you are from any potential fraudulent charges. Once you're on the line with a representative, clearly state that your card is lost or stolen. They'll guide you through verifying your identity. Expect to provide details like your full name, account number, and possibly some security questions. This step is crucial for your safety, so have that information ready. After verification, ask to have your card deactivated right away to prevent unauthorized use. Then, request a replacement card. Chase typically issues a new one within 5 to 7 business days, and it's free of charge for Sapphire cardholders. While you're waiting, keep an eye on your account activity through the Chase app or online banking. Set up transaction alerts if you haven't already. This way, you'll get notified of any suspicious activity. If you spot anything off, report it immediately for a potential refund. To avoid this situation in the future, consider using digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, which can store your card info securely on your phone. Also, always keep your physical card in a safe place and enable location services if available. And there you have it. Replacing your lost Chase Sapphire card doesn't have to be a disaster. By acting fast and following these steps, you'll be back up and running in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and take care.